I need to figure out a way to send this message to my classmate, but I don't know how. What should I do?
Here, I have an idea. Let me help you. Ever wonder how computers are used to code messages? It's through encryption, which is the process of coding to prevent hacking. Have you ever heard of the RSA algorithm? This is used to encrypt and decrypt messages. The message we want to encrypt is class exercise or CE. In coding, A, B, C, D, E corresponds to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C corresponds to 3 and E corresponds to 5. Multiply to get 15 and this is the message. In the RSA algorithm, there are 3 steps to the process. Step 1 is generating the public and private keys as the codes. We need to choose 2 prime numbers for the public key, so let's just choose P as 2 and Q as 13. Now using the prime numbers, calculate N and Z. To find N, multiply P and Q to get 26. To find Z, use P minus 1 times Q minus 1 to get 12. Lastly, we need to choose prime number K as 7 so Z is not divisible by K, and then N and K become the server's public key. In this next step, use the equation above to find the secret key or the value of J, where the remainder will be 1. Use K times J divided by C equals question mark remainder 1. The question mark is the quotient, but don't worry about it because J is the secret key. Next, substitute the variables and find J where the remainder is 1. So let's try 19. And the quotient comes to 11 remainder 1, so 19 is the secret key. Step 2 of the RSA algorithm is encrypting the message. P is the plain message, N and K are the public keys, and E is the encrypted message. Use the equation above and substitute the variables. The goal is to find R. Divide 15 to the 7th power by 26 to get the quotient with the remainder. Then multiply by 26. Subtract to isolate R and E is 11. The final step of this process is decrypting the message. E is the encrypted message, J is the secret key, and P is the plain message. Use this equation and substitute the variables. The goal is to find R. Divide 11 to the 19th power by 26 to get the quotient with the remainder. Multiply by 26 and subtract from 11 to the 19th power to get 15. Now if we use bigger prime numbers, it would take longer to encrypt and decrypt. This algorithm protects data that you want no one else to have access to.